I'll guide you through recovering your Google Authenticator codes on a new device, whether you're using the latest cloud sync or need a manual workaround for a lost phone. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, install the Google Authenticator app on your new phone and sign in with the same Google account you used on your previous device to trigger an automatic cloud restoration. Look for the green cloud icon at the top right of the app, which confirms that your 2FA codes are securely backed up and synced to your Google account. Open the Transfer Accounts menu on your old phone if you still have it, and select Export Accounts to generate a series of QR codes containing your secret keys. Tap the plus button on your new phone and choose Scan a QR code to import your accounts directly from the old device's screen. Use your one-time backup codes to log into specific sites like Binance or Discord if you didn't enable Cloud Sync and no longer have access to your old device. Visit the account recovery page for each individual service if you have no backups, as most platforms offer an I lost my 2FA device option via email or SMS verification. If you are locked out of your primary Google account itself, go to g.co/recover, which will allow you to regain access through your recovery email or phone number. If your newly recovered codes are being rejected, navigate to the settings and tap Time Correction for Codes, as this often fixes internal sync errors. Delete the accounts from your old phone after a successful transfer. Take a physical photo or print out your export QR codes and store them in a fireproof safe to ensure you have a permanent offline backup for emergencies. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.